Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be talking about those of you who have a fear of gardening, a fear of being outside. Look at me. I literally just got off of work. I have my lunch bag in my hand. I have my work shoes on. And the first thing I do when I get home is I come outside and I check on my two baby watermelon as well as my tomatoes. But I used to avoid this. As you can see, my air quotes garden is not much of a garden at all. But I had to get over the fear. So for those of you who just the thought of garden leaves you running in the wind, you're terrified of all of the possible things that you may encounter, I'm here to tell you that you can get over the fear. So what is it that would have you running away from the possibility of growing fruits and vegetables or just wildflowers for your family? Could it be the chance encounter of animals? Well, I can tell you there are some things that you may encounter. Buzzing bees, you're going to see them, but if you do, more than likely, that's a good thing. Some of your plants will grow two types of flowers, male and female. The male ones come first, and you're going to need the bees to help pollinate. Now, my backyard is a wooded area, and I have a time or two looked in the backyard to see rabbits, to see deer. And they're looking for the same thing that most animals are looking for, simply something to eat. But usually just by me opening the door, it scares them off and they go running away. But let's talk about the thing that most people are afraid of. I'm going to go with worms here because I didn't want to completely terrify you. But worms are also beneficial to your garden as well. They can enhance your soil structure, and their castings are rich in nutrients, acting as an excellent organic fertilizer for plants. Earthworms break down organic materials and they enrich the soil by promoting healthy plant growth. So if you see them, I know they may be squirming, but don't let them scare you away. Now, some of you have other wild animals that you may see, like this cute little adorable puppy that's always in my yard, but don't let that prevent you from gardening. Thank you all so much for watching. Happy gardening and stay safe out there. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye for now, everyone.